No, sand yachting. Sand yachts move quickly across beaches using wind power. At high speed they can hit people, rocks or obstacles, and soft or uneven sand can cause rollovers. Do not expose to direct sunlight or hot surface. Some products and devices are heat sensitive. High temperatures can make them deform, leak, burst, or lose effectiveness. Overheating can also cause fire or explosions, especially in pressurized containers or electronics. Not to be serviced by users. Inside this device there may be high voltage, sharp parts, chemicals, or complex electronics. Only trained technicians should open or repair it. User servicing could lead to shock, injury, damage to the device, and loss of warranty or compliance. Do not put finger into the nozzle of a hydromassage. Hydromassage nozzles can have strong pressure or suction. Putting fingers inside can cause injuries or damage internal parts. It's also unhygienic and can affect how the system works. The sign keeps both people and equipment safe. Do not cross barrier. Barriers mark the line between safe and hazardous areas. Drops, vehicles, water, machines, or other dangers may lie beyond. Crossing the barrier can lead to serious injury and often breaks safety rules.